Hello, my fellow grocery addict, it's Jackie, and I'm headed to Trader Joe's right now. I'm going out to this side of town to get crumble cookie gift cards next door to Trader Joe's for teacher gifts, and also to get flowers for my daughter. It's her last day of 8th grade, last day in this building that's been K through 8th, and as she's walking through the school, I want to give her flowers, and I've always wanted to buy flowers from Trader Joe's, so we're doing it today, and if I'm going to be there, I might as well shop around a bit, right? I'm picking up my best friend on the way, and we're going to shop together. It's going to be a lot of fun, and I hope you come in. Okay, I got my 4 gift cards, and I'm a bad influence because I bring the friend, and now she's getting cookies. Okay, Gentry. Let's see the goods. Ooh, yummy. I picked her up. She's waiting for an oil change. Is that what you're waiting for?
And a sensor to be fixed.
Okay, so I saved her. We have a little bestie outing. Right off the bat. I'm drawn to this one. What do you think of that one? Look how pretty that is. $12.99 seasonal bouquet. Are you getting flowers too?
I am. You're bad. You're bad. Just kidding. I love flowers.
I actually really like these ones. These are pretty.
Smell those bad boys. Or are you just like a looker, not a smeller?
I'm not a smeller, really. Okay, and then I see these flowers. My daughter wanted to get one of her teachers some flowers, so I'm going to get one of these mini bouquets for her while Gentry's picking out her flowers. Really kind of like this guy right here. We'll get that one. And that's $3.99.
We'll go together, right?
Gentry went with lilies and dotty palms. Beautiful.
I'm pressing you like your lips.
No, I'm reading the sign. I've never looked at their vegetables here, but look how good all this stir-fry stuff would be. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Baby broccoli looks yummy. Brussels sprouts, lots of goodies here. Okay, Aldi had really crummy bananas this week, so I'm gonna get these. They are 29 cents a piece. I'll get 4 of them. She's getting barbecue and black pepper salad. It looks amazing. I love the salad kits. Ooh,
I'm gonna buy a bowl and just eat it out.
That's literally what I do when I get them. This one sounds good to me, but none of my family will eat peanut dressing. Okay, this is what I came here for. Chicken meatballs. $3.99. Very excited to try these. What'd you say, Father's Day gift?
Father's Day gift.
Will Ryan see this video? $3.49. It's like a secret sauce, but what I came over here for was the dill pickle mustard. I'm a mustard lover, and I love pickles, so I'm gonna get this. $1.99. Okay, so this is one of the things I wanted to buy for Gentry because she's here with me, and I want to give her my favorites. Cinnamon cookies. I'm getting one for you and one for me.
Cute. They're little alphabet.
I know, they're cute, and
how to read and eat.
they're delicious. Oh, these are mine. $3.99 a piece. This is a seasonal strawberry shortcake cookies with strawberry in the middle. $3.49. Yummy. That looks so good to me. Okay, this is another thing I wanted to try. Dark chocolate watermelon sticks. Another seasonal. They're $3.49. I have bought Matt the orange and he likes them, but I want to try these. Okay, another thing. I actually thought these were going to be frozen. Wrong. The boba mochi, $2.99. This is 100% something I'm buying for myself. Brown sugar flavored mochi, I'm in. Gentry, what do you think of these? Do they disgust you?
I feel like they could have used a different picture.
Well, I'm drawn in. I say yes. This is like a well-known sauce here that people love. I'm not even trying to say it. Well, yes, I am. Cacio e pepe with gnocchi. We love gnocchi. This is going to my freezer for a future meal, but it's only $3.49 and I'm not often here. Yes. Say yes, Gentry.
Yes,
Do you want one?
No, I am gonna get one.
Guys, I come here for flowers, and then I'm going to end up getting perfectly pickled pups. And yes, these look amazing. They're $4.99. A great lunchtime snack. Yes, please. The end caps are getting to Gentry. Corn chips and salsa. Strawberry and cream pancake mix. We'll be having this in a future meal plan. I can guarantee you. $3.99. I have a strict order to get hot chips from my oldest. I don't see hot chips. She does like these. She does also say that they're not hot, but we'll get these to take on a little road trip we're doing soon. $3.49. I told her about the pickled popcorn and she's excited. $2.29. Okay, so the Trader Joe's that I shop at just changed, or since the last time I was here, and I don't come here that often. But this used to be where all the sweets are, and now they have a bunch of meats here. So I gotta get used to their new orders. Lots of fish and seafood over here. And yummy looking crackers. Okay, speaking of popcorn, this synergistically tangy, salty, smoky, spicy seasoned popcorn looks amazing. $2.29. We will get this for the hotel as well. She's been influenced again.
Have I said no to you at all?
No. Also, her and I were just laughing because she has to go back to her car carrying all these groceries and cookies. The next thing I'm gifting to Gentry is my literal favorite hot sauce, Green Dragon hot sauce. It's so good and it's not overpowering.
Perfect.
Do you accept?
I accept.
But it's going in my cart because I'm buying it for you. And then Elsie's only request was habanero hot sauce if they had one, and looky there, $2.99. This is my literal favorite thing at Trader Joe's, their eggplant garlic dip with red pepper. It's so delicious with crackers and cheese. I have cheese at home, I have crackers, but I don't have this, $2.99. Okay, Gentry's open to this, so I'm gonna buy this for her too.
I feel like a supermarket sweep.
Okay, I don't have plans for this, but I don't have nutritional yeast at home, and anytime I want to use it, I think, oh, I need to get it. So here it is. It's like a vegan cheese alternative, I see. $3.49. Okay, I am all about their snacks. You know, they know how to draw people in like me, and I think this looks amazing. Their Enchanted Jangle, $4.49. I'm also gonna get Gentry to buy this. Gentry, are you interested in an Enchanted Jangle?
Yeah, who doesn't like a jangle? Yeah.
Okay, they had a sliced cheese that's seasonal that I saw that I wanted to get.
Probably don't want the dill one.
Dill. Where's the dill? Well, Gentry's looking for Havarti. She figured out that was what was on her Havarti sandwich. This is what I'm looking for.
There you go.
Basil garlic Monterey Jack. $4.99. Oh yeah, that seems a little easier.
Than this?
Yeah. You could just put that on the bagel. Here's something I've never done from here, and maybe I have to consider this. Their pre-made like meals look pretty good, like the meat lasagna. I think I could enjoy that for dinner. And Gentry's looking over all the meat choices. Looks like a good one. Oven roasted turkey breast. Okay, and Mila, my oldest, asked me to get the Gone Berry Crazy. She loves these. I don't see exactly where they are, but the chocolate covered bananas are $2.49 and they're not here, so I'm thinking the strawberries are the same. I've been distracted once again by a chocolate snacky cluster of potato chips, corn chips, and mini pretzels dipped in chocolate. They are $3.99. There she goes. Adult child, my favorite. Okay, I'm actually trading in my schoolhouse cookies because I'm the one in my family that loves these, but these sound really good to me, and I know my family will actually eat these too. Crispy peanut butter cookies, they're $4.49, and I love the idea. It says add a spoonful of jelly on top. I see my husband doing that, and that sounds pretty darn good to me too, so I'm gonna trade in for these. Do you want to trade in your alphabet cookies?
No.
Okay, so this is my cart. Any guesses on the total? This is how my freezer and pantry becomes overstocked between weekly hauls, is when I stop and shop at non-weekly hauls like this, and it all started with the need for a single bouquet of flowers. Okay, I think Gentry may have spent a little more than me, so take that into account. Any guess on the totals? That's not a judgment thing.
Really make sure they see the bottom there, okay?
Lots in there, lots of goodies. Any guesses on the total? Do you want to guess your own total?
I'm gonna go with
$119.45.
That's what I was gonna say. Okay, 101.37.
We'll see. Okay, so my total is $98.78, and I ended up buying this mini Trader Joe's cooler bag. They're $3.99. They're a seasonal item, and I was upsold at the register. I didn't need much convincing though. Okay, so I was giving her a hard time that she was like way higher than me, but I was 98 whatever, and you were
104-ish.
So barely bigger. I actually thought it was going to be a bigger disparity.
I'm thankful.
Well, I love shopping at Trader Joe's. It's a lot more fun with her, but if you want to see a normal weekly grocery haul, you can check out this video right here to see what I do on a regular basis. This is just a fun freebie, although it wasn't free. No shame. Good luck. Hope you're not here for hours.